Hi friends, welcome to Time with Mary. Today we're making a classic summer favorite, egg salad sandwiches. Come along with me as we get some egg salad ready for a nice summer afternoon lunch. So the way that I make the best egg salad sandwiches is I start with some very simple ingredients. Some hard-boiled eggs, some pepper, French's mustard, and mayonnaise. All of that put together on sourdough bread makes an amazing sandwich. The first thing you want to do is boil the eggs. Once the eggs have thoroughly boiled, you want to rinse them in cold water and then put them in the fridge for a little bit. You want those eggs nice and cool so that the shells will come off easily. Once you remove the shells from the eggs, simply slice them up into nice chopped pieces of egg, both the white and the yellow portion. Put them in a bowl. Add pepper to taste. Add some French's mustard. Add some mayonnaise. And that's it. Give it a little stir. Put it on some sourdough bread. Slice it and offer it to those you love. Egg salad sandwiches, one of the simplest summer meals you can make. High in protein, not very costly, and enjoyable all summer long. So thanks for joining me on this egg salad journey today. I hope that you'll make some egg salad soon and enjoy that with your loved ones. And I hope to see you in the next video.